Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty. So today's video is a huge haul video and I bought a lot of things and I wanted to share it with you guys as well. So if you want to see what I purchased, then please keep on watching. So there is this website called as Ship Out from USA. What that website basically does is that you can place an order on any website, American or maybe European as well, and then they'll ship it to India for you. So you can order anything from abroad, which is amazing. So I tried it out and I really liked it. I will mention the link in the description box so you can check it out for yourselves. And I wanted to place an order on Ulta.com, which is a huge beauty website, and there are so many brands that are there and I really wanted to try some products out. So I placed an order and it got delivered within 15 to 16 days and I wanted to share it with you guys as well. So let's get started. So first, the product that I really wanted to try is this L'Oreal foundation, and this is the L'Oreal 24 Hours Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and this is what the packaging looks like. So I really wanted to try this foundation out because it is meant to give your skin that glow and that luminous skin and all of that. I really like this foundation as of now. I've used it twice or thrice and I'm loving it. So this gives a very natural finish and it adds a nice glow to your face as well. And again, this is in the shade Sun Beige. So in L'Oreal foundations, I'm usually in the shade Sun Beige. That's why I went for this, and this suits perfectly. This also has an SPF of 15 in it. And they say that this lasts up to 24 hours. I'm not sure about that claim, but otherwise I really like how lightweight it is and you can blend it really easily with your skin, and the color is also perfect for me. So I've been loving this as well. So next is also a foundation, and this is from L'Oreal and I really wanted to try this out. So this is their True Match Lumi Cushion Foundation, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So it comes in a case like this. So this is very similar to the Lancome Cushion Foundation, and that's why I really wanted to try this out. This also gives a really natural finish to your skin, and this is in the shade W3. The sad part is that this is really light for my skin, so I have to just make it work somehow. This has yellow undertones as well, but it's really light. I will just show all the packaging. It's really cute. So as you can see, this is how it looks like, and then you have to just open it up and then you get the sponge inside, okay, and then you have a big mirror here as well, and then you just have to take this lid off, and then here you get the foundation. So this is what it looks like. It's a cushion foundation, so you can just carry it in your handbag as well, and during the day also, if you just want to add some touch-ups, you can just use this. That's why it's really good. I really wanted to try this out, but slightly light for my skin, but I have to make it work, and yeah, this is really exciting. So let's just continue with L'Oreal, and the third L'Oreal product that I got is this primer, which is their Magic Lumi Light Infusing Primer, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks like. The packaging is really nice on this. It's very travel friendly. I really wanted to try this out because it is meant to give again luminous skin, so I'm really excited about this as well. So the next product is from Maybelline, and this is Maybelline's Color Tattoo Eye Chrome, and this is the shade Fool's Gold, and this is sadly not available in India. That's why I wanted to try this out. This is a new launch from Maybelline, and this is what it looks like. I really sometimes can't tell if it's focusing or not because I have specs, so it's really difficult to understand. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and the color is just stunning. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it has a lot of shimmer in it, and this is just going to be perfect to just apply this all over your eyelid, and that's it. So it's really pretty. So the next brand is Benefit, and I've always wanted to try Benefit products so badly, but they're so expensive in Mumbai Sephora, and I saw this on Ulta and I'm like, I need to get my hands on this. So this is Benefit's mascara lineup. So these are basically minis of the famous products from Benefit, and this was around only I think $19 or $20, and you get around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minis, which is perfectly fine with me. So this is how it looks like. This is the packaging on it. It's really cute. So what you get in this is you get 3 mascaras, I think. Yeah, you get 3 mascaras, you get 1 eyebrow tint, and you also get 1 eyeliner. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, this is mascara, this is mascara, this is the eyebrow tint mascara, and this is their eyeliner. So So you basically get the They Are Real push-up liner, which is really good. I tried this out and it's really good. Then you get the They Are Real mascara that's there. Then you get the They Are Real eyebrow tint. Then you get the roller lash, which is so good. The lash products are really good in this. And then you also get the Benefit Bad Gal lash. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's so cute and it's so travel friendly. This is the Benefit bundle that I got. The next product is also really exciting because it's an eyeshadow palette, and I've been watching Kali Bai Bel's video for a really long time, like maybe since last 2 years I've been watching her videos, and I saw that she collaborated with BH Cosmetics with this Kali Bai Bel eyeshadow palette, and obviously I couldn't get it at that time, but I got it now. So this is how the palette looks like. As you can see, it's really cute. And then you just have to open this up. You get 14 eyeshadows in this, and you get I think 4 highlighters in this as well. So when you open up, you can see this. This is how it looks like. So these are all the eyeshadows that you get, and then these are the highlighting shades that you get. So this palette is also really cute, and I'm actually using one of their highlights right now on my cheeks. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, this highlighter is really pretty. And yeah, I'm really happy with this. I haven't used the eyeshadows yet, but I'm going to try them out soon in a video, so make sure you check that video out. So when I was on the website, I was actually just looking at the cosmetic section, but I thought I might as well try something else as well. So I actually went in their body care kind of a section, and I saw this, and I'm pretty excited about this. So this is basically meant for ingrowth. So you have ingrowth on your legs or maybe your hands as well, and it looks so bad. Like you wax or you shave, and then after a few days you have that ingrowth showing, and it looks really terrible. So I just wanted to try these products out. So this is by a brand called Gigi, and I saw reviews on this and many people like these products, so I wanted to give these a go. So this is the Gigi No Bump Body Scrub that I got, and this is the Gigi No Bump Solution. So this is how they look like. Let's just focus on one thing. So this is the scrub that you get, and the quantity is a lot, and I think this was for around $9 or $10. So what this basically does is, this is a skin smoothing exfoliator. So this is a body scrub which is specifically meant for bumps on your body and also for ingrowth. So that's why I really wanted to try this out, because lately I've been shaving my body and sometimes you get these bumps, which is really annoying. So I wanted to try this out, and yesterday I actually used this scrub. This scrub is that gel-like consistency, and I haven't used anything like this before in my life. I just love this scrub so much, because sometimes what happens is those scrubs that are there when they're too grainy, and when you apply it on your body, it doesn't feel like it's actually scrubbing anything. Whereas this one, on the other hand, it just scrubs so well. I've just used this once, so I cannot say if it works for ingrown hair or anything like that, but I'm going to keep you guys updated. I'm going to do like a body care video soon where I'm going to talk about shaving. I'm going to talk about face shaving as well, and ingrowth, and how you can reduce all of that. So stay tuned for that, and for that make sure you subscribe to my channel. And then this is the Gigi No Bump Solution, and this is what it looks like. So this is meant for skin smoothing topical solution. This is again helps prevent ingrown hairs and bumps caused by waxing and shaving. So I'm really excited about both of these products, and I'm going to let you guys know the review soon, so stay tuned for it. Last but definitely not the least, this is actually not a purchase from Ship Out from USA or from Ulta.com. I just wanted to share it with you guys because I got it yesterday, and yeah, this is actually the Morphe palette. So I really wanted to try Morphe palettes out, but on their website the shipping is around $60. It's so expensive. I'm like, I'm not going to spend so much. So what I did was, actually I went on Amazon.in and I actually looked for these palettes, and there was a palette available for $3,200, and I'm like, just might as well give this a go, because $3,000 is okay for a palette because you get so many colors in these, and I think you get around 32 or maybe more than that. Yeah, you get a lot of eyeshadows in these, and this. So this is the 35K palette. I really wanted to try the warm palette that's there, but that was really expensive. That was for around 10,000 or 11,000, which is just too much. But this is also really pretty. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to leave a link to this in the description box, so if you want to check it out, you can go ahead and purchase this. It takes time to deliver it, I think, because you get it, I think it's shipped from USA only, but I think 3,200 is just nothing for this palette. Just look at how pretty it is. So these are the colors that you get. So you have a nice variety of dark colors here as well, which are more on the cooler side. And then you have so many warmer shades right here, which are just perfect. I love brown shades. So yeah, I really like this. I'm just going to zoom slightly. And there are some shimmery shades as well, and there are some matte shades, so it's a perfect combination. And this is a really pretty palette. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. I'm going to use this as well in a video soon, and I will keep you guys updated. So yeah guys, these were all the things that I purchased, and let me just tell you that there are more hauls coming up, and I know I've purchased a lot of things, but I just wanted to try so many things out, and I finally can, so I just went ahead and purchased them. So yeah, these were all the things that I purchased, and let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite product and which one you would like to see a specific review on, because I would love to do that for you guys. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Also follow me on my social media, that is Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Handle is bestofbeauty29. Also make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, that's it for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Love you.